Okay. So let's see for today class. Let's see for today class. We'll discuss one by one. Same period last year for that, right? So first of all, so go for dim date. You full date hierarchy, right? You can give as full date hierarchy dates. You want to focus mode. There is a mode here. So if you keep this option, more options, just click. You want to move, navigate. So do this. You can play it. There is a three dot. So when you keep these three dots and move any location, it will move. Okay. I want to move here. This one. Okay. So and I want to give only date. As of now, I'm going with date. Okay. I want to convert this one into short date. Short date. Yeah, very first one. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So now, first of all, so I'm going with this everything now onwards. This file only. It's already data modeling file already with you, right? So we'll go for okay. Okay. Sorry. Dim date, dim product. Okay. Dim date, right? What is the factory internet says? So you can create sum of measure is there already. Yeah, total sales are already there. So drag and drop here. Total sales. Okay. So based on this, simple. As you know, what is the drawback here? The total sales for each day is showing. What is the issue? No, no, that's the reason. That's the reason. See, what is the so we have written the function sum of sales. So simple. Dim date coming from different table. Fact internet sales coming from different table. This is real time issue. This issues comes real time. So so what very very first class I told in the demo itself. So the total sales is coming same value for the all for every day. So looks like some modeling issue. What is meant by modeling? Where this column is taken from dim date, this column is taken from fact internet sales. There is a modeling issue. Modeling, what is meant by modeling? Modeling. That is transformation, power query. So modeling, power pivot. What is meant by power pivot? So different tables for different columns. Want to create what kind of? Want to create relation. Yeah, we want to create a relation. So looks like relation is missed. So go to modeling, manage relationship. We have to create relationship. So right click, new relationship. Now we have to check fact internet sales. So that is first table, fact internet sales. So and another table is dim date. So looks like there is no relation between these two tables. Okay, go to date key here and order date here. So we have to order date based on order date. Sorry, order date key. then establish. Click save. So after that, there is a result. Day, the sum of day total sales change. So modeling is most important part. See, the modeling may be different. It's different than both are joined automatically. That's what I told, right? Modeling part. In the earlier dimension part, I okay, right? Yeah. So okay. So now for each day they have different sales as part of here. Let's go here. Right click total sales USD for only USD countries, right? So again right click new column. First of all, you can create new column. The same period last year, it is written set of dates in the current selection from the previous year. So the same period last year, so returns a set of dates in the current selection. What is meant by current selection? This is the current selection. So from the previous year. So it will only go back from previous year. Cannot move forward. Only go back. What is happening previous year for this date. Okay. So simple. Same period last year. Okay. So give the dates. What is the date you have to take always? Okay. Full date alternative key. Dim date, full date, alternative key. So let's see first. We'll execute this one. So I have created this one as a column. Okay. Same period last year. The new this one. New only new column. Okay. I created new column in fact internet sales. So new column here, right? See, based on this, you can easily understand. If you go for FX on on that, simply we can understand it is a column. If you go for calculator symbol, like that is measure simply. Okay, just drag and drop. New column is simply what is the purpose of this function? Simply just assume. So same period last year, if you go for day, will you for the last year day. So I'm going right now day wise. I'm going. Let's see. Just watch it. So what is 12/29 2010? What is for the previous year? The same thing written. So if you go for day, let us assume instead of this, we go for another one, another example. Control C, Control V. Let's see. Control V. Created one more user. Just remove this column, dim date, select again this column, give only hierarchy here. Okay, only give hierarchy. Next, remove this column as well as. Okay, remove this column as well as. Okay, then simple column, then only red hierarchy is there. Select. See, if you go for year, it will come year. If you go for day wise, we'll go for day. Month, if you go for month, it will give. will give exactly previous year. Whatever, if you go for day, so based on this column, based on this. Now I have here, I'm taking date column. So in this contest I'm going here. So it will come you exactly here. Here. Only here. So the reason is why completely this is completely this run full date alternative key. So what we have written in the expression same period last year. So dim date full date alternative key. So full date alternative date key. This is so as of now here I am taking only year. So then in this case, if you go for in this visual year and month. Okay. So then here you can select year and month. Let's see now. Same thing. 2010 December, 2009 December. So based on this date key, it will change automatically. Okay. Clear? So that's the it will give the drawback is we want to go by using this back function. We want to go -2 years. This back function does not say. This is the drawback for this. Only 1 year is yeah. But by using this, we some functions it will give for the last month will give it will entire date. So but this it will go for day as well as for the hierarchy day, month, quarter, even day, week also there in between. Day, week, month, quarter, year. So clear, right? This function. Okay. So let's see similar way. Sir, I don't want to date now. I want to focus on sales. So this is the sales for 2010. But what is the sales for 2010, 12, 29? Okay. So now the next requirement is so what is happened for the year of 1229 December 29 2009 2009 what is the sales for the day? Huh? Same period last year keyboard రాలేదు ఉందిలే మళ్ళా let's see later multiple values were supplied where a single value was expected and when you are creating where here you have done that one then modeling part you have done you created modeling the modeling relation with that's the reason build Jesus. So we have to first step is you have to do that one then followed by this one. Okay. Now so same period last year mainly the purpose of this function is it will give whatever the past the date it will give the previous year exact date. If you go for a day it will give day. If you go for month it will give month or year or week also. If the date is not matching you are right. If the date is not matching almost 40 times it was there. Okay. Same last year. If there is no date blank value blank value will give. Is there any C? Let me check. So we have data. That's the reason. So yeah, we'll see. It will give the date as per the function. Let's see now in this example. Yeah, I can explain for that example. Okay. So now this is date wise I am going. This is year wise I am going. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is the for year 2010. The this one is same period last year. So it is coming as 2009. So let's go for now. I'm going to remove that column. That column. So I'm going to create. So now I want to create what is the sales for 2009. So for the year of 2010, what is the sales for previous year? Okay. So we'll go for. So in this case, actually the data starting with 2010 only. For the previous year data, 9. There is no sales 2009. So in this case, it will show as blank value. So for 2011, will give the previous year result. This one, it will give exactly this one here. Let's see how to write a measure for that. Right click, new measure. So for all the related sum, always we have to go for measures. So what is the measure? Same period, last year, sales. Okay. So where is the how we return this one? Calculate. The very first one is we have to use calculate function. So calculate total sales. Total sales, comma. We want to give the same period last year. Same period last year. What is the dim date? We have to key calendar. Can give as full alternative key. Okay. So close one more. This is a DAX function. So created. Can give as same underscore so that from table to table. See, right? In this example, I told there is no data for. Okay. So for 2010, so 2009 year, as of now there, this in this context, 2009, there is no data here. So if you see total sales for 2010, so what is the sales? So 2009, no sales. So that's the reason it is coming as black. What is the sales for 2010? So here we are going, the filter context is year, right? So for the entire year, total sales is 2010 entire sales is 43,421. Okay. So the same thing we are showing. So this is the previous year. Any questions? So we'll go for. So generally, if we go for this function, so what you understand? So for everything, like total sales is nothing but what is meant by total sales? Sum of sales, right? You can write that one also. Same, it will return. Let's say the entry code also, sir. If you want to do one, huh? You will allow to select ఇది లైన్ నెంబర్ ఆటోమేటిక్ ఇదా ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి మీరు షిఫ్ట్ ఎంటర్ షిఫ్ట్ ఎంటర్ షిఫ్ట్ ఎంటర్ షిఫ్ట్ ఎంటర్ snapping tool. By using that, we can take a screenshot. Okay, now I'm saving this function. I'm changing the calculation. Just I'm commit transaction. Now it will change these values. See, it's executing. See, after that also it will give same result. See, just watch it. Even both function are same. So we can use measure within the measure we can call. So this is a measure earlier, right? Total sales is a measure. What we have written in the total sales within the measure. So same function we have written. Sum of factor internet sales amount. Okay. Same thing. Instead of that, we can write same thing here. The same thing I have written here. Right? So instead of this, always we can use reusable. Reusable. We already written that measure, so you can write it. So that's the reason we have written this method. Okay. Total sales. So instead of that, total sales it will give the same. So this is total sales. Looks like whenever it calculate function, when you write as a calculate function, this is a filter function. Okay. Type syntax, then calculate. Generally, just see that calculate. To open this one, any DAX function. See, calculate expression. Expression is what is expression? Sum of sales. That is the expression. So for the next thing is filter. It evaluates an expression in the context modified filters. This is a filter. So what we are going to write a filter is now we want to give the sales for the previous year. This is the filter context. So you want to give the previous year. There is a in the DAX direct function is there. Same period last. By using this, just we have to pass the date. Automatically, it will give the previous year date. That's all. Calculate is a evaluate function. It calculates some value or evaluate the value based on expression. So what is the expression? We are going to sum up. If we give the count, then it will count it. Any aggregated values you have to use in the calculate function. Only it will support to have any calculation part. For that, you have to use calculate. This is its calculate expression filter one. And also you can dot. So how many filters you want to write will support that many filters. Okay. Right now, we have given only one filter. So instead of that, you want to give one product, and also you can write for what is the you can write one more filter condition. Comma product you want to filter team product subcategory or product team product English product name. So you can write a product name. Okay, you can write product name. Some so write product name. So right now I'm giving a blank. It will give always giving blank values because there is no. We have to check the product exactly product name. Go to product table, check it product table and find out the English product name. So crown race is there. So we'll give crown race product. If there any sales for crown race product is there, it will show you. Otherwise, it will give blank values. Huh? రెండు సార్లు వేర్ సరే only one time is fine. Hmm? Anything. So this filter coming from dim date. This filter coming from product. You can write n number of filters. So what we are yes, yes, yes. Nico, total sales. What is expression is here? Total sales. So I want to filter same period last year. Town race. So as of now, only for town race. That's the reason there is no sales for town race. So let's see. Instead of that, better we'll give fact internet sales. So product key. So what is the product key? 528. So 528. We have sales column. What is sales amount? Yeah. Sales amount is there, 4.99. What is the product key? 528. We give product key. Instead of that, we can give product key. We'll go for now. So simple sales here. So here we can write it product key. Then product key. So what is the value? 528. So simply now it will give the sales amount. Yeah. We'll filter out. See, same period last year sales. So only this calculation it will filter out only for the product 520. Yeah. Based on the filter, it will change. So total sales. This is completely for all the products. This is only for product 528. What is mean by 528? You want to check again. Go to here. Product table. What is the 528? So give 528 filter. 528. Click OK. Can give that mountain tire cube. So that is the product. So for that, this is the sales. Based on that, based on filter, n number of filters you can apply it here. Okay. So as of now, we have applied. It will support many filters. Because if there is no relation between product versus this total sales coming from factor internet sales, right? If no relation between these two tables, won't give the result. So if the relation modeling is there, that's the reason. That's the reason. Modeling is major important. If you do any calculation, modeling is major key role. Even the column name is different, we have to mark it. Yeah, yeah. If the column name is different in the modeling part, you know the column name, exact column. Based on that, you can give it. This is the modeling. If the column name from both the tables is same, no need to give a relationship. It automatically detect the relationship and take it. In case of the column name is different, you have to give you have to select. So if you see new relationship, so always you have to give from table. So dim product and let's see fact international sales. Already relation is there. So product key product automatically detect. So this I already explained in the first class model. So clear, right? So this is purpose of same period last year. Very fine. So I'm going to remove this key right now so that we give same result. What is next function we go for? date add. So same period last year. This function will give exactly what it is explain names period, but last year same period means if you are looking for data on the day level, it would be the same day last. Very clear. If we are slicing or dicing in a month, slicing and dicing is nothing but to here. So here slicing or dicing. Earlier what I did is only here first given as a day, then followed by in this visual year and month, that is called as slicing and dicing. So based on whatever you want to column, based on you are looking for what exactly. So sometimes you are looking for year and month. So then it will give the sales automatically. That one. Okay. If slicing and dicing in a month or quarter level, this would give the same month or quarter last year. You can use the function simply just for providing date field. Simple calculation, same period last year, date field, give the result. So you want to check for the last date and also for the calculation. So just now I have explained, right, everything. So sum of this one, same period last year. Okay. So same thing. Similarly, if there is no data for that level, it will give always blank value. So next, parallel period. Parallel period is another function that gives you the ability to get the parallel period on the current period. You can navigate periods in the past or future. So, but same period last year, it cannot go to the future. Only go back to the previous year. Only previous year. But this parallel period will give future as well as. Okay. You can it to go negative or positive to go to the future. This is an example for using parallel period. So right click parallel period. Right click new method. Parallel period pp underscore sales. So parallel period, it is written a parallel period of dates by given a set of dates and specified interval. We have to specify the interval. What is happening in the sales period in the last year? We did not mention any interval. So just pause the syntax is only date. So but here you want to check what is the sales last year. If we have mentioned the interval, this functionality will do same result. Okay, but you have to mention interval. You want to go first of all parallel period syntax is this one. So you can write dates, right? What is the date? Fact full date key, right? Dim from dim date full date key, alternative key from dim date, comma number of intervals. You want to go to previous month, so always go for -1. So you want to go to year. Okay, this is function. So now for this is filter only. We will filter out the data. So what is the calculate we need? Calculate again sum of sales. So calculate. So what is the expression for the calculate? What is the expression we want to give? Total sales. Perfect. Total sales. So then we can close this bracket. No. So for the last year entered sales it will give. So I'm interval I have mentioned. Take is that. So in this expression, you did not mention like you want to go year or day, year or day or month. But in this, it will give the same result. If it says parallel period also, it will give place. But this is the advantage. You want to go. What is the 2 years back sales? Yeah, -2. But in this function does not support this kind of. That's the advantage. ఆ? ఇంకా డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేయాలి. So if any expression is wrong, this kind of error will come. So just watch it. Same period last year sales. Parallel period sales. Will be same. Both are given same. So what is the difference? Just comparison. So this function parallel period will give the previous year sales also. But by using this, we want to give. We want to go back. We want to go back of it. And also, అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నువ్వు ఇది ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ సేల్స్ నువ్వు ఇక్కడ దీన్ని మళ్ళా దాన్ని మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళాలా లేదా +1 పెట్టుకొని మిక్స్ చేస్తావు. ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ కదా. ఒకవేళ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి కొన్ని సేల్స్ అట్లా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఐ వాంట్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఎట్ డే లెవెల్. Will throw. Reason is there is no day here. There is this parallel period. This is not support. Month. Day not supporting. Will support, right? Yeah. If you check again month, it will splitting. The values are getting different. It will calculate all the months. Okay. ఇక్కడ మీరు మంత్ వేస్తే కరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా వేసేటప్పుడు మీకు అందుకే whenever slicing and dicing, what the columns required, based on that you have to do the proper calculation. So here you are giving year, you are giving month calculation. What is the purpose, right? That's the reason you have to understand the requirement first. So first understand the requirement, based on that requirement you can write. You want to, for example, here day is there, here day is there. Instead of that you can title the day. That's all. Okay. So we'll go for next. What is the difference? I will share this document. Go through this document. If you have any questions, just ask me. No. Huh? Already shared. So now, so they same thing. We'll go for date add function also there. One more thing. So we'll go for date add function. So, for example, I have deleted this report. You want to undo this report? There is an option here. See here. Undo the last action. Go to here. Just click it. It will come. This option. Okay. Now I want to remove this one. Don't want to this one. Just for understanding purpose. Let's see. You want to move anywhere? This keep this. Click here and navigate. Anywhere it will move. I want to keep here. Okay. Then I want to create data function. Go to click new method. So first data add function. So data add in SQL Server. Yesterday I told. Data similar in SQL Server. First most the given set of dates by specified interval. So you want to I want to add -1. -1 year I want to go. So I want to go previous year. So for that date adds. What is the date add? Date which column we are taking from date? Till date full alternative date key, right? Full date alternative date key, comma date. Okay, comma this one number of intervals. So I want to go -1 and interval. So I want to go to year. So this is the filter for date add. You want to go. So for that same again, have to write calculate, calculate expression. What is the expression? Total sales. We have already created the measure. Instead of writing, we can use it and close that. So give same value for all of them. So, but different options are there. So, same function it will give multiple ways we can write it functions. Okay. So all the difference dates in period. The very next function is dates in period. Period must be date. So dates in a period. So you want to check between two dates. Okay. So you want to check how many. What is the days difference between two dates? So for that, we can use this function. This function will give you all days in a period. Period means start date and end date. Okay. The period can be one of the days of this. It will support. You want to difference between days will support, month will support, year will support. Okay. So you have to pass the date. Syntax is dates in period. So first we have to pass first date means first day, last day, and number of intervals. Like you want to intervals is nothing but to day, month, quarter. Sorry, number of intervals. Like a month minus or like what. Then how to give interval, day or month. Okay. Let's see now. We'll go for dates in period. So this one, but they given sum of sales for that. Only for dates we give. Let's see. Sales for the last volume. Dates in period, date, last date, minus one. No matter. First, always you can try to this filter contest. Understand this one. Then you can write the expression. First, we have to filter dates in period, right? So we have to close classes. Yeah. So dates in period. So what is the dates? So full date alternative is the dates. The date, comma, start date, uh, last day or first day. Full. So sometimes you don't you are not aware of the syntax. Just type dates in period and check that what is the like syntax is there. But interview point how to చూపిస్తుంది అది ఓకే when we are working this fine. What is the case to ask the interview? ఏంటి sometimes huh? Sometimes based on what is simple. Sometimes you can you write date in period. They will ask. Hmm. Huh? Sales are how many ways we can explain. Sometimes they will ask what is the major difference between days in period, same period last year, parallel period. So that time we can write this method and explain. They will feel that. Sorry. Then calculate, open bracket. So always measures when you type this measures will come, comma, uh, total sales. Automatically when you type total, it will come. Underscore total. Yeah. It will give total sales exactly. We are checking this is very first date and within this year and giving last day. So for that year, last day. I'm checking -1 year. So no, -1 is previous 2009 కదా, అక్కడ ఈ రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. సేమ్ ఇయర్ అనుకోండి. సో డేట్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. డేట్స్ బిట్వీన్ చూడండి, మీరు మొత్తం ట్రై చేయండి, ఇది చెప్తాను. డేట్స్ బిట్వీన్ కూడా సేమ్ నీకు. నెక్స్ట్ అంటే సేమ్ మీకు డేట్స్ బిట్వీన్ కూడా హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ద స్టార్ట్ డేట్ అండ్ సింపుల్. ఇది మనకు రాస్తారు కదా, అదే దాని యొక్క. సో మీకు ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ చూడండి, ఫాలో కాండి. ఇంకా చాలా డాక్స్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మీ డేట్ రిలేటెడ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అయిపోయినాయి. మెయిన్ ఉన్నాయి, అవి అయిపోయినాయి. ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా డాక్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు డాక్స్ వచ్చేసి మనం ఈ రిజల్ట్ వచ్చేసి సేమ్ ఇయర్ లోనే రిటర్న్ చేస్తాం. సేమ్ ఇయర్ లోనే రిటర్న్ చేస్తాం. ఇది 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 అదే ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ కి రిటర్న్ చేయవి, ఇక్కడ రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది. ఇది ఏంటి అంటావా, చెప్తాను. చెప్తాను. మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళకు వచ్చేస్తారు. దానికి ముందు మీకు ఒక అసైన్మెంట్ ఇచ్చేస్తా, అది అయిపోతే మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా.